All right, y'all. So we're here in Humble, Texas, about to try this place called Lenny's BarBQ. Let's see how it's about to go. Ooh, come get y'all's. Come get y'all's.
That's a little barbecue sauce.
Oh my God.
Yummy yum, baby. Not your ordinary lady.
Hey, Wicca Wonka wanna pay me.
I got the loaded potato, you guys, with chicken.
Oh, that look good too. Oh yes. So y'all, he got the loaded potato. I got oxtails with dirty rice, with greens and a little mac.
Barbecue sauce. Drizzle.
With a little Kool-Aid. Lean with it, rock with it. Don't stop
This is the
with
barbecue, y'all. Hold on, because I know bitches probably want to see. Let me drizzle. Let me pick her up.
Oh yes. Oh. Not you drizzling like that.
I'm a professional.
Oh. That's a big ass potato.
Yes, indeed.
Damn. Time to taste test.
Toast.
Okay.
Let's see. Amen.
Mac and cheese good. Baby, let's do the rice. Oh yeah. It's oxtails and rice. High five. 10 out of 10.
I don't got nothing to say to y'all right now. Hold on. It's going down.
Basement Friday 13th. That's super and Jason. Oh, hello. This is good. She's got.
You got it.
Juice flying everywhere.
Yeah.
If y'all in Humble, Texas, you definitely want to get down here and try Lenny's BarBQ and Kitchen. When I say the food is so good, I can't be making this shit up. And I won't make this shit up.
They got these motherfucking potato and bitch.
Oh, that potato one. I sleep want to try some. Let me see.
You gotta get all up in there.
Oh yeah, she fire. You know what I'm saying? That potato fire in the motherfucker.
Them hoes need their ass ate.
I'm trying to tell you. Baby.
Oh,
Mr. Lenny. All right, now you work with something there, boy.
you do me wrong, I do you wrong.
I take you back.
Please take me.
Come on. These oxtails. Let me taste this good old cherry dairy
Smack
Kool-Aid.
mine.
Oh yes, and they filled it all the way up to the tippy top. Love that. Tip me off.
I ain't fuck with me like that. Oh. Now you got a Kool-Aid tail.
Look, you know how mother be trying to use the top to catch you. Look. Mm-hmm. It's Kool-Aid good in the fuck.
Damn, bitch, I damn near drunk the whole thing. They ain't wrong for that.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm gonna get a nut and